Parliament. Every day we hear about the Parliament somewhere or the other, in TV channels, newspapers, from our parents, etc. But what is Parliament? The Parliament is a super legislative body in the Indian government. Legislative body? What is that? The legislative body is a group of people who make laws for the country. But how is the Parliament related to our life? Government and its ministry make decisions on our behalf about various things which are a part of our life, like transport, our education, healthcare, food, and even sports. But the Parliament is bigger and the government is a part of it. Look, the Parliament consists of the President of India and two houses, namely the upper house, which is the Rajya Sabha or the Council of States, and the lower house, which is the Lok Sabha or the House of People. While on the other hand, the government is formed by the party who gets more than half the seats and gets majority votes after the general election of Lok Sabha. Members of both these houses are called members of the Parliament or MPs. So what does the Parliament do exactly? The Parliament checks to see if the government is doing a good job or not, and if they are not, they can raise a question against it. The period during which the House conducts its meetings is called a session. The Parliament conducts 3 sessions each year: the budget session, the monsoon session, and the winter session. How do we contribute to Parliament and its decisions? The country is divided into numerous constituencies. Each of these constituencies elect one person to the Parliament. Once these candidates become part of the Parliament, they become members of Parliament. We elect the members of the Lok Sabha directly through general elections and the members of the Rajya Sabha indirectly through state legislative assemblies. So what did we learn about the Parliament? The Parliament is a super legislative body which makes laws for our country. The government is a part of the Parliament and makes decisions for the people of country. The Parliament is composed of the President, the Lok Sabha, and the Rajya Sabha. The Parliament administrates the working of the government. By voting, we elect the members of the Parliament directly or indirectly. That is why it is always important to cast our vote, because it is our vote that makes up the country's Parliament.